What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw baby Luigi from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page we draw a small circle for the nose. Let's start at the very top right in the center, go all the way around towards the bottom, and we're going to bend that all the way back up towards the top. Now I want to place the eyes just on top of the nose. So on the left side let's draw an oval. From the very top we're going to come down and in, then back up towards the top. Let's draw that same size oval on the right side. Down towards the nose and then back up. Along the top of each eye, let's draw a small circle for a highlight. And it'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now from here, we're going to go up to the top and draw a curve for the eyebrows. Let's start from the top left, bend this down and then out. Line that up on the right. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting back at the top, we're going to come down lower in the middle and then back out towards the point. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to go back to the nose, step down, draw a small oval for the mouth, and then fill that in black. Now from here, we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw the edge of the hat. Let's start all the way over on the left side. We're going to curve this up above the eyebrows and in toward the center. Go across and then bend that down towards the right side. Now let's draw the hat brim. Starting back on the left, we go higher in the middle, going up, go across, and then bend that down. From the outside of the hat brim, we draw the lower half of the head. Let's start back on the left. We're going to come down, bend this in just underneath the mouth. We're going to go across, and then bend that up towards the right side. Let's add some hair along the side. On the left, we're going to step in, close around, and then pull that up. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. And we'll bend this down and then up towards the side of the head. Now I want to draw in those large ears. Let's start from the top corner of the head, bend this up, come around, and then in. Along the top of the ears, we're going to add a fold, going up and then down along the side. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the outside of the hat. We're going to start on top of the left ear, bend this out, go up and then in. Now I want to pull this up and then in towards the center of our page. Round out the hat, come down along the right side, and we'll bend that in toward the top of the ear. We're going to add that symbol in the center of the hat. Let's start on the left side of the hat brim. We'll draw a circle going all the way around. Come around the right side and just tuck that in. And then in the center of that circle, we're going to draw the L. Starting on the left, go straight down, go straight across towards the right. Now I just want to flatten off the ends along the top and the right side, and just trace out the inside of the L. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start over on the left side. We're going to draw an oval, going all the way around towards the bottom, round out the body, and then bend that back up. Let's add those straps. On the top left, we're going to step over, curve out, and then down about halfway. Let's add a point, coming down and then up towards the side. Now along the bottom of the straps, we're going to add a circle for the buttons. Now in between the straps, let's add a curve. Let's continue down with the legs. Leaving a gap in the center. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, then it's out and down towards the right heel. And I want to curve the bottom of the feet. From the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up on both sides. Now going back to the left side, let's draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up. I'm going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Then I want to curl that up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to go back up to the body. I'm going to curve the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. And then from here, we're going to add a curve along the bottom of the leg for the edge of the socks. I'm also going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So I'm going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. go back to the top of the foot. We're going to draw the edge of the laces going out and then down. Then up and then out. Now inside that space, we're going to add 2 more curves to separate the laces. Now we're going to go back up to the side of the body and draw on the arms. Let's start on the left side. We're going to angle this out and then down with a slight curve. Then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. And then close off the end with a small bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket. Step down, bend the second finger, going up. Now the third finger, we're going to blend into the arm, going up, and then bend that in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then we're going to finish off by separating the edge of the cuff from the thumb with a curve. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw baby Luigi from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.